Two quickies. One is going to be an Easter egg for your climate control if you have the automatic climate control. The other one's a question. My 01 ML320 and the 05 ML350 both have the same thing. I've got the auto dimming rear view mirror. And I know this little green light on here is to tell that the auto dimming mirror is on or off. There's a little button there for it. But under there's a little light that's always on when the headlights are on. What the hell is that for? The owner's manual doesn't state it. The dealer doesn't seem to know what it's for. I'm just trying to figure out what this little, I mean, it doesn't glare on anything. It doesn't do anything. I thought it might light up the center climate control. Doesn't seem to. Maybe it's for like just you quickly need to read something in the dark, you put it up there. That's the only thing I can think of. But it's always on when the lights are on. Anyway, anybody have any idea what that is for, or any possible thought? Let me know. Second one, really quickly, is a automatic climate control Easter egg, and this is one you are never, ever, ever going to use. Probably. I'll never use it because it's you. Anyway, the auto button. If you push auto, it just automatically sets the temperature, keeps the temperature that you have set there. If you press and hold auto, the factory setting I think is 22 degrees. That's the factory setting. You push and hold for 3 seconds, it will go to 22. Again, you have to hold it for 3 seconds, so why would you bother when you can just twist the dial? But if you want to change this to something else, let's change it to 26. Press and hold the auto button for 10 seconds. And it will change to 26, or wherever you've set it on the dial. And so now every time you press and hold your auto for 3 seconds, it will go to what you've preset it at. Again, absolutely ridiculous when you can just do this. But, who the hell is going to hold it for 3 seconds just to get that auto function? It takes you less time to actually go and turn the dial. But just for fun, I'm going to set my auto to 22. And leave it there. Thanks for watching.